Hello, I'm Ian, and today we're going to learn how to load a gel. So I'm going to use the 0.2 to 2 microliter, the P2, and I'm going to set it to 2 microliters for our dye. So I'm going to get 2 microliters of dye out. First I'm going to get a tip. So you just press firmly on the tip, and then you take out 2 microliters of dye by pushing to the first stop. And then you can recap your dye and place the dye on a section of the parafilm that has not been used yet, so you don't contaminate your sample. So you're going to pipette out the 2 microliters by pushing to the second stop, and then you can eject your tip. Now you're going to load your sample. So you're going to load 10 microliters of your sample into the dye. So you get a tip. And we're going to be loading sample 1413. So we're doing sample 8, which is 2913. And that is with our first master mix. So we're gonna grab one.
Yeah, it's
okay.
No.
This one. Not that one. Yeah, this one. No? Not this one. Okay. This sample. And now we're gonna take out 10 microliters by pushing to the first stop.
That should be fine.
Alright. Now you're going to eject it by pushing to almost to the second stop, because we're going to mix the sample and the dye. So we're going to inject it into the dye, and then don't push all the way to the second stop yet, because you can move the sample up and down to mix it, and then you can push the second stop. Alright. And now you're going to eject your tip. So now you're going to set the sample to 12 microliters. Or set the pipette to 12 microliters to put the sample in the gel. You're going to get your tip. And then you're going to get all of the sample that you can up to 12 microliters.
And we're doing 6, 7, 8 now.
Alright. So if there's a little bit of air, you're going to want to push down because you don't want bubbles in your gel. So you're going to just push a little bit of the air out when you go into the well. So we're going to go into well 8. And make sure that your tip is actually in the well. And then you can pipette slowly so that the sample doesn't come out of the well. And then push to the second stop, eject all the sample. And then eject your tip. And you just loaded your gel.